Have you ever wondered why all kinds of businesses offer you three enticing price options? The reason goes way beyond giving you a lot of choices. It's actually more about mind control. Companies are trying to secretly influence your buying decision. If you've ever wondered if you should be doing the same thing in your business, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to be exploring the art of setting prices and, in particular, how to use high and low price packages to guide customers towards the middle pricing option. Now, stay to the end. I'll explain my Oreo principle and give you a real life example. As an entrepreneur, I built a business from scratch and grew it to over $1 million in revenue due to having a very intriguing price package. If you want to learn more about creating price packages so you can grow your business to seven figures, please stay till the end where I'll tell you more about my 5-step process for creating pricing packages that are unique and irresistible offers plus one-on-one guidance. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about psychology, one of my favorite subjects. Human brains love choices, but it's so easy for our brains to become overwhelmed. That's where the power of three comes in. Companies strategically present us with three packages, typically the high, the middle, and the low, to guide you towards the one they want you to choose. Okay, now let's break down the high and low packages. The high-end package sets the bar high, showing customers the possibilities and creating a sense of exclusivity. Meanwhile, the low-end package serves as the baseline, making the middle option seem like a great deal in comparison. It's a delicate balance of providing a lot of value without overwhelming the customer. Now, the middle package is where the magic really happens. It's carefully crafted to provide the best value for the majority of customers. And by placing it strategically between the high and the low options, you are actually encouraging customers to make a choice that feels just right. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just the right amount. Now, ever heard of the Oreo Principle? While it may not be an official term, think of it like this. The high and the low packages act as the outer chocolate wafers of the Oreo cookie, with the middle package being the delicious cream filling in the middle. The high-end package is there for those seeking luxury, while the low-end package attracts the budget-conscious customer. The magic, as I said before, happens in the middle. The middle is the perfect sweet spot. Now let's look at a real-world example of this Oreo principle. You're going to want to take a screenshot of this. Here's the pricing for Pictory, an AI video creator platform. So they have three plans. At the low end is a starter plan for $23 a month. In the middle is a professional plan for $47 a month. At the top end is a Teams plan for $119 a month. So there you see the outer chocolate wafers of the Oreo with $23 at the low end and $119 at the top. And then the sweet creamy center is the professional plan of $47 a month. See how your eye is drawn to the professional plan because of its middle position? Note how the more dominant color of yellow is used to highlight the professional plan. Also note the use of the word popular to indicate that most people are choosing this plan. This helps reduce the risk of choosing this plan for people looking at it because it tells them most people choose this plan. Take a look at the distribution of features across these three plans, and let's compare the features of the low and the high to the middle plan. There are substantially less features in the starter package. Half the videos, half the transcriptions, half the text-to-speech, half the music tracks, and way less stock videos. Also, the quality of the AI voices used in the text-to-speech are not as good. So the starter package gives you about half of what you get in the professional package, and you pay about half. Now let's look at the Teams package and compare that to the professional package. At the high end, for $119, you get 3 users versus 1. And you get about 50% more videos per month, 50% more music tracks, and double the music templates, plus sharing, collaboration, and an API. So there's a lot of extra stuff in here. The price is 2x the professional package, but you get 3 users and all that sharing, collaboration, and API. The bottom line is that the way the features are distributed across the three plans is also pushing you towards the middle plan, the professional plan. Well, that's the Oreo principle. And understanding the psychology behind pricing can make all the difference in growing your business. Now, you really need to experiment with your price packages over time using A/B testing until you find the best pricing for your situation. And then you should continue to experiment and optimize. I've created a 5-step process that I use with my clients to guide them in creating unique pricing packages and irresistible offers. If you're ready to get started crafting your customized pricing strategies and you want some one-on-one guidance, apply for my free coaching call. You can apply by using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this.